So now let's see how we can utilize the mosaic filter inside of GIMP. So in order to apply the mosaic filter, you need to go around onto the filter menu, and then over here you can see that under distort, you can go around and access mosaic. So if I were to go around and select this, then you can see the mosaic filter being applied over here, where you can go around and change around the tile size right here. And it seems as if everything is tiled out now, just like this. You can go around and change around the tile height over here, just like this as well, and get more depth or make it more softer over here as well. So just like this, you can go around and change around the side height as well. You can change around the tile neatness, as you can see right here, like you can decrease it or you can increase it out to make it more neat over here as well. And you can make it more random by decreasing out the tile neatness over here. Apart from that, you can also change around the tile color variation right here to make it seem much more natural right here. You can really change it out over here as well, or decrease out right here, just like this. So over here you can see the color averaging right here, which you can go around and turn on and turn off to get the average color option right here. Like over here, if you were to go for color averaging, you don't see the S over here, but if you were to turn it off, you can see like it actually just places a layover on the top right here. But you do want the color averaging for an actual tile effect. Apart from that, you got the rough tile surface as well, so you can go around and get more rough tile surface, as you can see right here, and then you can go around and turn it off as well. You can also split the tiles, as you can see right here, or you can go around and enable it out right here, just like this. So now you can also go around and then increase out the tile spacing, as you can see right here. So you can go around and increase or decrease out the spacing of the tile as well. If you disable the splitting, then you can see that it actually doesn't actually split out the smaller tiles. But if you have to go around and enable it, then to get more detail, you can see that it splits the tile. But let me just go around and disable this for a more natural look. Then apart from that, you can go around with the tile spacing, and then you can go around with the joint colors over here, just like this, according to how you want. So let's say, for example, I want more like white, or let's say, for example, some blue right here, just like this. You can go around and choose that out. You can also go around and then, let's say, for example, take samples right here, just like this, from the tiles itself as well, so that you get more of a natural color. So you can go around and press OK, and then you got the light color as well. So depending on what you want, you can go around and add in reflection light right here to be more yellowish or other color as you like right here. You can also change around the light direction, as you can see right here, just like this. And you can also go around and anti-alias the tiles out right here. So now you can also go around and change around the randomness right here. So you can go around and change around the random seed right here, and you can change around the opacity to see the original image beneath it as well. Apart from that, you can go around and work around with blending mode right here to, let's say, for example, darken everything out and so forth as well, or replace it out. Then you got the preview option, which allows you to see the before and after right here, and you can see the split view over here to see the before and after in action, just like this as well. So once you press OK, this will be applied right here, just like this, as you can see in the tiled view. So that is how you can work around with the mosaic filter inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.